Hey, this is T, and here is my first day at Disney World, and I am going to start by checking out one of their water parks. This one is Blizzard Beach, and this is our first day, so some hotels offer a free water park at this time. My hotel didn't, but I still went because I had family with me, so I went to the water park, and then in the evening, I said I would check out a park, which we took the monorail over to Magic Kingdom in the evening because I had the park hopper, so I was able to just still go to a theme park, even though it was at night. So we started with Magic Kingdom. We checked out the monorail just to give it a run and started getting on rides. I noticed that night it was much slower, still very crowded, but much slower. So we were just walking right up on rides and checking out whatever we could get on. And we got on quite a bit of rides. And also we were able to see the fireworks. And stay tuned and see how I got from the airport all the way to my hotel at the Drury, and then went to the water park and had a little food at the hotel, and then enjoyed Magic Kingdom in the evening. Stay tuned and let me know what you think.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? My strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
come over here and go to sleep. Leave the platform. Ain't they pretty? Pretty. Walking through the tunnel. Where we going? Man, they got me walking through tunnels. Oh Lord. Lazy river coming through. I ain't about this walking in no tunnel though. How you feel walking through this? It's a little strange. It's so cool. Okay, as you can see, my first day in Disney was a lot of fun so far. We went to the water parks, and typically people would not go to a theme park on the first day because you're only there half a day. But we are still going to head over to Magic Kingdom later today. But this was the Blizzard Beach water park. It was great. It had a lot to do. I love to rest, but we're going to head back to the hotel, grab some food, and prepare to go to Magic Kingdom tonight to see the fireworks and get a little preview of what's to come when we go to Magic Kingdom in the next morning. So right now I'm leaving Blizzard Beach, waiting for my bus back to the Drury, and then I'll be heading over to Magic Kingdom after I eat. Look at all these Disney buses. What number are they at now? Here we are at number 8. They said that number 8 for after the Blizzard Falls is this one, number 8. There's a lot of Disney buses, and we're just waiting on the Drury. 10 more minutes.
And the technology train goes to the eyes, and we say, I'm taking Magic Kingdom and make sure that whenever you leave the screen, we talk about the 7.
Okay, after we left Blizzard Beach, we got probably back to our hotel about 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and we were so happy to get some food. And they had mac and cheese, some chicken nuggets, and just some random food that made it work. I didn't even know you had to catch a whole train to get to Magic Kingdom, but I got on the little Drury bus and went back out to a park, and Magic Kingdom was the only one open. I didn't know I had to catch a train, but basically I'm headed over to the monorail, and it's really easy. I'm just following people, and you get on the train, and it lets you off right at Magic Kingdom, and you walk in, and that's what I'm doing. And my whole point was to try to do, because I had the park hopper, I wanted to start at night with parks and then go again in the morning, so then I would kind of know mostly where everything was. And we're running to that monorail, but the monorail comes pretty frequently, so it's not a big deal. And I was so happy that we did get out. You like the little teacups? You're able to get right on. Whoa, this is so fun, Drury! Y'all make some tea? Right on, we ain't wait for 1 minute. So that's what's up. There's a lot of people here. They having them fireworks. Wow, check out that. Wow, that's a sign that start getting on your nerves.
That was just the time. I'm Tigger. Come bounce with me.
Oh, wow. Tigger! Ooh, that's fun.
Follow me. I almost bounced right out of the ride.
It's Tigger.
It's still honey. Honey.
Winnie the Pooh. You ready to go online? Alright, I feel my first day at Disney was a success. I got checked into my hotel. I was pleased with the hotel. The food was pretty good. All my items came. The Uber was quick and easy. Getting into the water park was simple. And, I was able to get in with my park hoppers. I didn't have to pay extra. And it was a really nice water park. And I think it's a great addition to the Disney theme parks, because if you're anything like me, I like to relax. So it was a great way to start my trip. We had a good time. We met up just fine. And I really wanted to circle back around this water park. We will be revisiting Magic Kingdom the next day, so stay tuned for the next day. Well, stay tuned for day 2 at Disney, where we go visit Magic Kingdom and get on some of the rides there, and just see if these crowds are as bad as I was anticipating, and if I'm going to be able to get on a good amount of rides. So stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.